How to use Discord channel points feature. Well, to be straight, Discord does not have a built-in channel points feature. Channel points are native to streaming platforms like Twitch, but you can add a custom point system to a Discord server using automated bots or connected Twitch channel points to Discord via third-party tools. Well, first you can add a bot to your server. So head over to your web on your desktop and you can on top.cc. This is one of the bots available server here. So what you can do is you can search inside like MEE6 here, right? Or you can search in Carl bot or a custom bot that tracks user activity. So you can proceed to select invite here. Now if you are not logged in, it will prompt you to log in. If you are already logged in, you will proceed you to Discord. As you can see, continue scrolling down, select this server here and continue, and then proceed to you want to set up text activity rules so users can earn credits for XP for chatting actively. You can also use bot commands like /points or /rank to let users check their scores. Now restrict point farming by enabling cooldowns or minimum character counts on messages as well. So hope this video was helpful. Hit a like and subscribe as well.